Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. This bike's got just a little over 3,400 miles on it and is in mint condition. Let's take a walk around it. I'll show you the one highlight that's on it, and then we will fire it up so you can hear it run. This middle-sized cruiser is extremely clean, like I said, with only 3,400 miles on it. It's been very well taken care of. The tires are in excellent shape, as you can see. No dents, no scratches, no rips, no tears, nothing like that. And like I said, this bike is pretty much all stock other than the Saddlemen saddlebags that have been attached to it. You can see the back tires itself is in good shape. All right, show you those miles now. 3422 is what's on it. This Vulcan will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.